In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Booking.com. If you ever browse hotels and wish the prices match the currency you use every day, this is a quick fix. I'll walk you through how to change the currency on the Booking.com website using a standard web browser. The process takes just a few seconds, and once you set it, the entire page refreshes to reflect your choice. Start by opening your browser and going to Booking.com. When the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see a small currency indicator. This could look like a symbol such as a dollar sign, a euro sign, a pound sign, or another currency symbol depending on what's currently set. Click that currency symbol. As soon as you do, a list will drop down showing a range of available currencies. Scroll if you need to, then select the one you want, like USD, EUR, or PHP. There's nothing else you need to confirm. The page will automatically refresh and you'll notice that all prices across the site now display in the currency you chose. That's it. Your browsing currency is changed. This affects search results, property pages, and the booking flow, so you can compare options more easily in a familiar format. If you use the Booking.com app, you can make the same change there as well, and the idea is the same. Find the currency setting and pick your preference. A few important things to keep in mind. Changing the currency on the site only changes how prices are displayed while you browse. It doesn't guarantee that your final charge will be processed in that currency. Some properties still charge in their local currency, especially if you pay at the property during check-in or check-out. In those situations, the amount you see online is an estimate in your chosen currency, and the actual transaction may be converted at the time of payment. Your bank or card issuer may also apply conversion fees if the final charge isn't in your card's native currency. It's a good idea to review your card's foreign transaction fee policy so there are no surprises. When you're getting ready to confirm a reservation, glance at the pricing and payment notes on the checkout page. Look for any indication of the currency that will be charged and whether taxes or fees are collected in a different currency at the property. To recap, click the currency symbol at the top right. Pick your preferred currency, and the site will instantly update. Now you can browse with confidence, comparing prices in the currency that makes the most sense for you.